Namaste and good day. So many people have asked me about this Uddiyana Bandha and how to do this exercise and how it's possible. So I want to demonstrate how you can do this exercise. So first, what you want to do is you want to take all air out, right? You want to bring all air out. So you do it like this, you put your hands up like this, and you breathe out with your nose 2 times, and then with your mouth 2 times. Right? So we do 2 times, and 2 times. Then the air will be empty here, right? The next step is that you want to do like a vacuum. You want to pull your stomach in. So you saw that I pulled the stomach in, right? So you can even touch the ribs. And I will do it one more time with the out breathing so you can see the full process. So first it's 2 times out with the nose and 2 times out with the mouth. So it's like this. Then you sit for a little while. Put your attention between your 2 eyebrows. And when you're ready, you do it once again. So you do that in a set of 3 times. So first you pull out the breath with the nose 2 times. And then with the mouth 2 times, and then you pull the stomach in. And you sit. The question that may arise may be, how long should I be able to do this? In the beginning you can start with 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever you are comfortable with. Don't overdo, really push yourself. Start slow and then you can graduate more, so you can hold your breath for a longer time. So that's why we practice pranayama, is so we can be able to hold the breath. Right, the lungs expands when we are practicing pranayama, and especially with this exercise, that will make your lungs very strong. You will be able to inhale more prana and oxygen in every breath that you take. So that will help you further on with this exercise. So start easy with 5, 10, maybe 15 seconds, and then just breathe out slowly. Be inside in your 3rd eye and just relax. And then you do that in a set of 3, and this will help you a lot with the digestive machinery, with the fire element. It will also massage and stimulate all the different organs that we have in this part here. So I hope this can be helpful for you, and if you do this practice every day, you will raise your vibration, you will raise your level of prana, the pranic energy will raise, And it's very, very important to have a lot of prana in our system. When we go into emotional things, we go into mental things that we go through, right? Then we lose prana. Pranic energy moves out of our system, and then we need to learn how to build it up again. So this is a perfect exercise, and you can search for Uddiyana Bandha on the Google to find more information about the different properties it can have for your life. So I will do it once more until I finish, so you can see it once again. This is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this can be a great benefit for you. Have a good day.